I really like eating butternut squash. I really hate preparing it. It's heavy, it's hard to handle, and the skin is an absolute nightmare. So I found out about this hack recently and I wanted to share it with you. Why is that, Archie? I hear you cry. Well, on the channel recently, we cooked a fabulous frittata, and butternut squash was one of the main ingredients. I didn't want anyone to say I'm not making that frittata because I hate preparing butternut squash. Anyway, here's the squash. Nice and easy. Put it on each side and get a pointed edge knife and stab it all over as much as you can. Not too deep though. And once you've done that, all you need to do is to take the top off and then take off the bottom, which was a task in itself, to be honest. Then you need to open your microwave door, light on its side, and for a commercial powerful mic, it's 2 minutes. And if you've got a regular domestic one like mine, it's about 3 minutes. And then take it out, let it cool for about 10 minutes before you start peeling it. Don't do what I did, do it straight away, although I didn't burn my hand. It was a bit foolish what I did though. The knife will glide effortlessly through the squash. You'll even take off most of the white as well. Sometimes when preparing it cold, we have to peel it twice, don't we? But look at that, how easy is that? Then split it down the middle, take out the seeds, and do what the hell you want with it. I need it in cubes for my Mediterranean-inspired frittata. The link will be in the description box below. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else for me to tell you. Butternut squash hack is done. Thanks everyone.